Hi there, guys and gals. Good morning to each every one of you. Let's have some breakfast. My ever-loving favorite sausage McMuffin with egg. Oh my gosh, I told them to have this scrambled. Wait lang. Hold on. I told the cashier that my egg should be scrambled. She told the kitchen crew to have it. I don't know if the kitchen crew acknowledged it. And then the pancake that they served me is already cold. That's why I asked them to change it with the new one. Oh my gosh, I'm here in Cainta Rizal Highway 2000 to have my car fixed by Sir Rodel there in a certain village, Greenland. So before I proceed there, I had to have my breakfast first. But you know what? I'm so hungry and my order wasn't here yet. Oh my gosh. I have here a orange juice. Want to have some? Be the first one to sip. It's for you. Oh my gosh. Ah. So hungry. How I wish that my ever-loving wagon British Sherry would get fixed today. You know what? It should be 3 sets of fixing it. One is transmission. The second one is the lower part at the back. We may call here in Kalampan. So there's a Kalampan. Thank you. So this one, oh my gosh, my ever favorite. Wow, it's a bigger one. So let's now proceed. And then the third one is when I'm going up on a certain hill or a higher land, I can't move. Even though I've been doing the acceleration, but it's not. So I'm gonna ask Sir to fix it. Come on. But for now, want some syrup. Ah. Oh my gosh. Some kind of hard. So let's eat. Bye for now. Shout out to each everyone.